How to fix all Windows apps not working. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type Fix Store. Starting with a troubleshooter can be a good first step. This built-in tool can automatically check issues and fix them. Note that sometimes you might have to perform manual steps once the problem is diagnosed. If that didn't work, type WS Reset in Windows Search and press Enter. At this time, a blank pop-up window will show up. Do not close it. After a few moments, the window will close down, and the Microsoft Store will relaunch. Check whether your apps are working again. If that didn't work, in Windows Settings, you can repair or reset Windows apps via the advanced options. Follow these steps. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, type PowerShell in Windows Search. Right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if everything else fails, you can perform an in-place upgrade using the Media Creation tool from Microsoft. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.